Platinum Tech 17-piece metric long pattern combination wrench set offers a 12-point, 15-degree offset box head for better access in tight spaces. This set includes sizes 8 through 24 millimeters. It has a long pattern for increased leverage. It also meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. These wrenches feature a high polish, chrome-plated vanadium steel for good looks and exceptional strength. It also has a wide shank for better comfort and strength. It includes a durable nylon roll pouch with handles and straps. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.